Island is an enterprise browser that enforces security at the presentation layer inside the browser, so controls follow the session, not the network. That removes the need for backhaul through VPNs or proxies, reducing latency while giving granular visibility and control over user interaction with SaaS, web apps, and even enabling the safe use of AI. It's a shift from network enforced security to session enforced controls, aligning directly with zero trust principles. Island integrates with your identity provider to provide a curated browsing experience. Meet our team logging into Island Browser. You see three personas, each with different role based requirements and policies. Jake is a contractor, Miles is an employee, and Parker is an IT security administrator. Each of them authenticates via SAML SSO. Island verifies each user's identity, knowing exactly who's accessing which resources, enabling us to apply role based policies and monitor user activity across the organization. Let's log in as Miles Quaritch, an employee of RDA. As part of the experience being provided for employees, you will see a fully customized homepage, the ability to add your logos and configure the tab, add sections, add backgrounds, even have communications and announcements made available to employees as well. You will notice page borders with a message as well, providing a visual gate to the user logged in. As an employee, Miles can view credit card information and even paste this into approved business applications. However, in personal applications, the same would not be permitted as per policy. Personal web mails are allowed, so employees can create new messages. However, to control points of leakage, uploads are permitted only from the corporate drive, and if this control is bypassed in any way, doing a direct paste, that would not be permitted as well as per policy. Downloads are controlled as well. The admin once approves of a download, it provides the end user an option as to where they can save the files that they're downloading. Now let's look at access to an internal top secret app where we are going to enforce step up multi-factor authentication, and we are going to forward it through Island private access. So you can see for this top secret internal application, it's being forwarded through IPA, and for any risky action that we're performing, it will enforce a step up authentication for the user. Now this is having a lot of corporate secrets. It is a target for any disgruntled employees or any targeted phishing campaigns against employees. Let's look at a scenario where one of the disgruntled contractors has sent an email to Miles and is stating that login to the internal top secret app is going to be revoked because of a security alert, and has created a lure page. Now, for whatever reason, the user is not alarmed given it's not asking to authenticate and is showing a general browsing border. Maybe it's lack of awareness on their part. There will be a warning page, a warning pop-up that will be displayed as well. So if I were to, Miles was to log in using their corporate credentials, you will see a warning page and this is providing a reminder and anti-phishing control in place for employees. Let's take a look at the curated browsing experience provided for the contractors group. You can see homepage customization for this persona, a slightly different experience being applied to this group. Logging in to an authorized business application using shared credentials. We've applied a watermark which is tied to the identity of the user logged into the browser for traceability. You can see DLP policies applied where the credit card information is being masked and visible for X number of seconds. Copy and pasting to any other app is being controlled as per policy. Personal emails are permitted, but it's read only. Composing emails has been grayed out. Downloading attachments is being controlled as per policy as well. And uploads of attachments is being controlled as per the policy as well. There were concerns that Jake might humble brag about defeating the RDA army on LinkedIn, so create a post has been grayed out as well for this user. And finally, let's quickly take a look at the IT administrator persona as well. You will notice the homepage customization for this persona as well. There are a few extra sections that have been added relevant to the role. There is a DLP policy that's been applied for internal code repos, preventing tokens and keys from being shared and copied over. You will also see some productivity tools like the clipboard manager available to you. Pandora management views free Wikipedia and knowledge as an existential threat. So copy paste actions to the clipboard are being controlled and watermarked over here. So while you can copy and paste from other websites, Wikipedia copy has been blocked into the clipboard manager. We'll also see the password manager. This is what Parker used to share the Salesforce account, being the owner of Salesforce. He shared with Jake and Miles, which we saw earlier. The management console is where you can access everything related to your deployment. It shows you the deployment summary, integrations that exist in your environment with your IDP, SIM, approval workflows, etc. Configuration access policies, DLP policies. You can also view user events, security incidents that were prevented, password shares, and finally, we love to showcase the digital experience part of the application visibility. We also show you for each application a digital experience score, which is a metric designed to evaluate and quantify the digital employee experience, looking at factors such as speed or page loading time, stability, and responsiveness. What you've seen today is how Island gives visibility and control without breaking the user experience. Instead of layering more agents, proxies, and workarounds onto unmanaged browsers, Island makes the browser itself the security boundary, which means tighter policy enforcement, faster investigations, and a much better experience for end users. Thank you for your time.